Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do this, open settings application where we scroll down and open additional settings selection. In it, we tap on accessibility and there vision, where we have our magnification option, which is off right now. To turn on it, we must swipe up and confirm by OK, and we get our magnification shortcut. To zoom our screen, we tap on it and tap on screen. We can also change position of our zoom using two fingers and swiping on the screen. To zoom on, we do this feature. To zoom out, this one. To turn off our magnification, we press again on it on our shortcut. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.